Oregon AdvanceCut Premium Chainsaw Chain, Replacement Chain for 16, 41 cm, Guide Bar. Drive links, 57, pitch, 3/8 low profile, gauge, .050. For chainsaw sizes up to 42 cc. This chainsaw chain fits many saw models with a 16 bar, including Craftsman CMXGSAMY426S, Echo CS310, Earthwise CS30116 and CS33016 corded, Remington RM4216 Rebel 16, and Sun Joe SWJ699E. Replacement for chainsaw chain part numbers: Husqvarna H37-57, Care Y57, Stihl 3636, 005, 0057, 63 PM357E. This chainsaw chain features Oregon's exclusive LubriTec oiling system, which helps to keep your chain and guide bar automatically oiled, for less friction and a longer life. AdvanceCut saw chains are ideal for landscaping professionals who occasionally cut wood, and private users who require a high standard in their yard work. Top reviews from the United States. Great chain replacement. It fit our chainsaw perfectly. Great chain replacement. Do recommend for sure.